In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're a new user diving into HubSpot for the first time, or you just need a refresher, this process is straightforward and simple to follow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to add companies to your HubSpot CRM efficiently, which is essential for managing your business relationships. First, we'll begin by navigating to HubSpot. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice a variety of options there, but for today, our focus is on companies. This section is where you'll manage and organize all the companies you have relationships with, making it a crucial part of your CRM strategy. Go ahead and click on Companies. This will take you to a new screen where you can view your existing list of companies or add new ones. Now that you're in the Companies section, you should see a button labeled Add Companies. This is your next click. By selecting this, you're telling HubSpot that you're ready to input new information about a company you want to track. Adding companies is vital because it allows you to keep all relevant data centralized and accessible, which can improve your workflow and efficiency. Once you've clicked Add Companies, you'll be presented with a form. This is where you'll fill in the details of the company you wish to add. It's important to be as thorough as possible here. Input the company's name, website URL, industry, phone number, and any other pertinent details that HubSpot prompts you to enter. This information is crucial because it helps you and your team to have a complete understanding of the company, ensuring that you can offer personalized service and communications. After you've filled in all the necessary fields, take a moment to review what you've entered. Accuracy is key, as incorrect information could lead to misunderstandings or miscommunications down the line. When you're confident that everything is correct, you'll look towards the bottom of the form where you'll find the Create button. By clicking this, you finalize the addition of the company to your HubSpot CRM. And there you have it. You've successfully added a company to your HubSpot CRM. This simple yet powerful action helps keep your CRM organized and your business relationships thriving. By regularly updating and managing this information, you ensure that your CRM is a reliable tool for your business operations. If you have any questions or run into any issues, HubSpot support resources are a great place to turn for additional help. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting!